and अच्छा चलो, she has come in. What happened, Baba? You want something? Hello, Kritika. How are you?
Hi, transforming.
Good,
Hello
good.
everyone.
Hello, Ria. How are
Yes,
you?
I am perfectly fine.
Yeah, perfectly fine.
Yes.
Are you not transforming?
Yes, I am transforming. Definitely
Are
transforming.
you?
Transforming.
हाँ. अच्छा, आज के लिए वीडियो ऑन कर लो. आज मैं आपको
ठीक है.
2 मेडिटेशंस कराऊंगी, 2 प्रोसेसेस कराऊंगी. वन प्रोसेस इज प्योरली पास्ट वाला.
ठीक
वो
है.
पहले मैं आपको एक प्रॉपर ब्रीफिंग दूंगी, ठीक है. वंस डन, उसके बाद फिर हम आप लोगों का एनर्जी लेवल्स थोड़ा देखेंगे कि हाउ इट गोज. अगर तो उस टाइम, बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी हैवी टेक्निक, ओके, a lot of things go and come out. तो फॉर कृतिका, कृतिका व्हेन वी स्टार्ट, मैं स्टार्ट इसी ईयर से करूंगी. आई गिव यू द ब्रीफिंग हाउ वी विल गो फॉर दैट. एक प्री फ्रेमिंग में भी मैं आपको प्रोवाइड करूंगी. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज, okay, okay. So now I'm going to tell you what are we going to do about this. Okay. Now basically we'll go on a journey till childhood. Okay. The technique that we are going to do today is past timeline therapy. ठीक है. आप इसको पास्ट टाइमलाइन थेरेपी भी बोल सकते हो, आप इसको पास्ट टाइमलाइन मेडिटेशन भी बोल सकते हो, वट एवर यू वांट, और इसको प्रोसेस भी बोल सकते हो. ठीक है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू इज, we will go on a journey till the childhood. Okay. And you need to understand here that there are certain traumas which you have already forgotten, जिनको हम forgotten traumas बोलते हैं. ठीक है. forgotten traumas क्या है? जब आप एक बच्चे थे, when you were a child of maybe 1 year of age, 2 years of age, right? उस टाइम पर the child does not have the concept of space and time. Anaisha, the child does not have the concept of space and time, right? He does not understand ki time kya hai. Even if the mother is telling the child ki, I'll be back in 2 minutes, मैं वापस आ रही हूँ, the child does not understand it. That is why you see the small babies, they cry and crib for the mother. They keep it loud ki mama pata nahi kahan chali gayi hai. The mother keeps getting irritated at some time that why are you not understanding? आ रही हूँ मैं, बस यही तो हूँ, पानी तो ले रही हूँ. I'm just having a bottle of milk from the kitchen. But the child is not understanding it, right? तो mother अपने अंदर से चिल्ला रही है, I'm just here, baby, I'm coming. But have you seen children will be like, they clinch to the mother like anything. छोटे छोटे babies जो होते हैं. So it is because of the insecurity. Because they do not understand कि अब पता नहीं कब आएंगी मम्मी. अब क्योंकि उनको टाइम और स्पेस का कॉन्सेप्ट समझ नहीं आता, दे डू नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, दे बिकम फियरफुल. उनको डर लगने लग जाता है कि अब मम्मा तो किचन में चली गई, पता नहीं कब आएगी, मे बी आई एम अबैंडन्ड, पता नहीं अब मुझे कोई उठाएगा कि नहीं उठाएगा, राइट? दैट मीन्स, तो उसकी वजह से आपके अंदर जो फियर का कॉन्सेप्ट है वो वहां से स्टार्ट होता है, राइट? जब आपको एक बहुत स्मॉल लेवल पे, जब एक चाइल्ड के कोई फिल्टर्स नहीं है, वो समझ नहीं पा रहा, और ऊपर से उसको टाइम एंड स्पेस की नॉलेज भी नहीं, ठीक है, उसको ये लगता है मुझे ना छोड़ दिया गया, अब मैं अकेला हूं, राइट? नाउ दैट इज व्हाई व्हाट हैपेंस इज कि अब व्हेन ही थिंक्स दैट आई एम अबैंडन्ड, आई डोंट नो हु विल कम एंड पिक मी अप और नॉट. अब देखो, दिस गिव्स यू अ कॉन्सेप्ट कि जो ह्यूमन चाइल्ड होता है ना, दैट इज द वीकेस्ट चाइल्ड. It's only the human child who needs extreme nurturing. बाकी अगर आप देखो तो every animal baby on the planet, it starts walking within like 1-2 days. right? It starts eating so much early, right? It is only a human child जिसको कि एक्सट्रीम नर्चरिंग चाहिए होती है. लाइक फॉर अ गुड 1 ईयर तो एक बच्चा चल भी नहीं पाता. बोलने में 6 महीने लग जाते हैं, 7 महीने लग जाते हैं, 10 महीने लग जाते हैं, समटाइम्स मे बी मोर देन दैट, राइट? तो एक ह्यूमन चाइल्ड को आउट ऑफ ऑल द स्पीशीज इन टर्म्स ऑफ नर्चरिंग बहुत ज्यादा पैम्परिंग चाहिए होता है, राइट? तो अगर एक बच्चे को, आप कभी देखना, एक बच्चे को अगर बचपन में बहुत एक फिजिकल टच मिला है, बहुत प्यार मिला है, हगिंग्स मिली है, किसिंग्स मिली है, कडलिंग्स मिली है, वो बच्चा लाइफ में बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट हो. एंड देन यू विल फाइंड आउट देयर आर पीपल जो हर वक्त अपने रिलेशनशिप्स में ना स्ट्रगल करते रहते हैं. दे देमसेल्व्स डू नॉट नो कि अपनी लाइफ में इतने इनसिक्योर क्यों है. उनको हर रिलेशनशिप में ऐसी फीलिंग आती है कि ये मुझे छोड़ के ना चला जाए, ये मुझसे दूर ना हो जाए, कुछ ऐसा कोई गड़बड़ नहीं हो जाए. दैट कम्स बिकॉज समवेयर उसको भी नहीं पता कि व्हेन आई वाज अ चाइल्ड आई वाज नॉट नर्चर्ड द वे इट शुड हैव बीन, राइट? सो मे बी 2 years ऑफ एज, 3 years ऑफ एज तक हमारे कुछ ऐसे हिडन ट्रॉमाज हैं जो हमें कॉन्शियस लेवल पर नहीं मालूम है, बट देन दे आर अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर एक्सपीरियंस एज बेबीज, राइट? जिसको हम बेबीज अटैचमेंट थ्योरी भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है? एंड देर आर नंबर ऑफ थ्योरीज विच प्रूव्स दिस, ठीक है? कि देर वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ टच. इनफैक्ट एक देर वॉज देर वॉज अ एक्सपेरिमेंट जो कि ना literally it was taken as a very brutal experiment. मतलब if you find it on Google you'll find it कि बेबीज के ऊपर एक एक्सपेरिमेंट बहुत सालों पहले किया गया था. दे वर ऑल लाइक दो, उन्होंने सेट्स बना दिए थे बेबीज के, कि वन वाज द सेट ऑफ बेबीज जिसमें कि बस उनको खाना वाना दिया जा रहा है, बट दे वर नॉट फिजिकली टच्ड. मतलब ऊपर से आप उनको खाना दे रहे हो, पानी दे रहे हो, सब कुछ दे रहे हो. देन देयर वाज अनदर सेट ऑफ बेबीज जिनको की फूड वगैरह सब दिया जा रहा था, बट एट द सेम टाइम विद द फिजिकल टच. जो भी गार्जियंस थे, जो भी उनके लुक आफ्टर केयर टेकर्स थे, दे यूज्ड टू लाइक होल्ड देम इन द लैप एंड देन गिव देम दिस. एंड इट वाज सीन दैट दोज बेबीज जिनको खाने को सब मिल रहा था लेकिन फिजिकल टच नहीं मिल रहा था, ऑल दोज बेबीज डाइड. Now we normally say that food and water is required for the physical body to grow. But then there was no physical touch given to them at all. And obviously it was taken as a very brutal thing to do, but then people did that, right? और within 3 months, वो सब बच्चे जिनको love नहीं मिला, they all died, right? They died within the 3 months. Now, otherwise they were getting everything, na? खाना पीना सब कुछ तो मिल ही रहा था उनको, बट देन दिस गिव्स इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ दैट फैक्टर कि इमोशनल बीइंग्स होने के नाते हमारी बॉडी, हमारी माइंड, हमारा सोल सबसे ज्यादा इमोशन से ही चलता है. दैट इज व्हाई द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इमोशनल रिलेशनशिप विद मनी एज वेल. क्योंकि आप कहीं पर भी चले जाओ, आप इस प्लैनेट पर जब तक हो, दैट इज व्हाई पुराने टाइम में व्हाट वर द पनिशमेंट्स? इनको काला पानी की सजा दे दो, कम्युनिटी से निकाल दो. तो क्या होगा? इंसान अकेला नहीं रह सकता, इमोशनली ड्रेन्ड हो जाएगा, तो द पर्सन विल डाई ऑन इट्स ओन. दैट इज व्हाई हम बोलते हैं कि आपकी प्रोग्रामिंग जो है, यूजुअली तो देखो अगर हम इफ यू टॉक अबाउट अदर पीपल तो ऐसा लिया जाता है कि 7-8 years तक हो जाता है, फिर भी आई टेक इट एज 10 years मिनिमम, कि 10 years ऑफ एज तक आपकी बहुत हद तक प्रोग्रामिंग हो चुकी होती है. पीपल डू कॉल इट टिल 7 years ओनली, राइट? बट देन देर विल बी अ मोमेंट व्हेन, जब ये सारा प्रोसेस शुरू होगा, अब there will be a moment where I will tell you that these are your forgotten traumas. Just pick them up and brush them off. Okay, that's all. You don't need to get into too much of mess into this कि क्या है, कैसा है, कम है, ज्यादा है, एक है, दो है, 10 है. Just forget it. I'll just simply say these are your forgotten traumas. Just pick them up and brush them off. क्योंकि देखो, हम ऑलरेडी डीडीजी फिल्टर्स यूज कर रहे हैं, हमने वैप को समझा है, हम ऑलरेडी जजमेंटल फिल्टर्स में लोगों को लेकर हमने बहुत सारी चीजें, देखो, वी हैव डिलीटेड आवर ओन अचीवमेंट्स, वी आर होल्डिंग ऑन टू सो मेनी पेन्स इन आवर बॉडी. एंड एज आई सेड इन दी प्री सपोजिशन, माइंड ऑलवेज हैव a positive intention for holding your pains. Why? So that if anything similar happens to that pain, यू आर ऑलरेडी रेडी विद दैट रेफरेंस। तो उसके लिए वो सिर्फ एक रेफरेंस फाइल है पेन की, राइट? जो भी आप सफर कर रहे हो उसके लिए, कि एक बार सफर कर चुके हो, आपको दोबारा सफर नहीं करना पड़े, राइट? सो नाउ आई टेक यू धीरे धीरे करके। अब एज वाइज आई वुड से कि वैसे आप दोनों में, आप लोगों में सिर्फ 10 इयर्स का डिफरेंस है, ठीक है? तो कृतिका के लिए मेजरली आएगा कि व्हेन वी स्टार्ट, पहले मैं इस ईयर को लूंगी, फिर मैं लास्ट ईयर को लूंगी, आपको कोविड तक लेके जाऊंगी, राइट? अब कोविड के बाद क्या होगा, मे बी इन दोनों के लिए, फॉर नौमिता एंड रिया, इट विल बी लाइक कि थिंक अबाउट योर कॉलेज डेज, बट अभी आपके लिए वो स्कूल टाइम आ चुका होगा, ठीक है? सिर्फ उस मोमेंट के लिए यू थिंक अबाउट योर स्कूल टाइम ओनली। गो टू, आप एक एक क्लास करके लेना शुरू कर देना, कि +2, +1, 10th, 9th, राइट? एक बीच में छोटा सा ही गैप आएगा जहां मैं इनको कॉलेज टाइम दूंगी, बट वो आपका स्कूल टाइम चल रहा होगा। उसके बाद इनका भी स्कूल टाइम शुरू हो जाएगा, तो आप ऑन द सेम पेस आ जाओगे, राइट? सो नाउ हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं ना? हाँ। ओके, नाउ सिट स्ट्रेट एवरीबडी। Okay, close your eyes, breathe in and breathe out, and relax. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. And you are relaxed. One more down. Breathe in and breathe out. And you are completely relaxed. Now visualize as if you are sitting in the middle of a broad highway. It's a broad highway, and you are sitting on the chair in the middle of that highway, which is extremely safe. You are extremely safe. It's only you and your highway. That's all. So you, with this chair, you are sitting in the middle of a big highway. The front row, the front road goes ahead in the future. जो रोड सामने को जा रही है वो आपका फ्यूचर है, एंड द रोड विच इज टुवर्ड्स योर बैक इज योर पास्ट। जो रोड आपके पीछे जा रही है आपका गुजरा हुआ कल है, जो रोड आगे को जा रही है वो आपका आने वाला कल है। सो जस्ट इमेजिन अंडर योर फीट कि देयर इज अ रोड, and going in both the directions, front and back, and on the road which goes to the front in your future timeline, today you decide that I will walk my past timeline today. आज मैं अपने गुजरे हुए कल में जाऊंगी. So just visualize that you stand up from your chair, you turn around, and you see a long highway. एक बहुत लंबा रास्ता है जो आप तय करके यहां तक पहुंचे हो, till your present. It's a long journey that you have come through. आपके इस रोड की वन साइड पर there are many TVs there, many posters और LCD screens, a lot of them. Like जैसे आप एक टीवी के शोरूम में जाते हो और बहुत सारे टीवी स्क्रीन्स एंड LEDs लगे होते हैं. Calm your forehead, calm your facial expressions, and now आप आज की प्रेजेंट स्टेट में खड़े हो. आपको बहुत सारे स्क्रीन्स नजर आ रहे हैं with different channels on them on one side of the road, and now you decide that I will walk ahead. तो आप जहां खड़े हो वहां एक माइलस्टोन ऑफ 2024 है. यू आर स्टैंडिंग एट द प्रेजेंट पोजीशन 2024, और आपके शोल्डर्स पर एक बड़ा सा व्हाइट कलर का शोल्डर बैग है. This is purely a magical place where you are going to enter now. एक व्हाइट कलर का शोल्डर बैग आपने ले रखा है, एंड नाउ you are carrying that shoulder bag along with you and you walk further just a few steps ahead. आपको वहां सामने टीवी स्क्रीन पर 2024 के लास्ट 4 months की कुछ चीजें नजर आ रही हैं. मे बी सम पेन्स, वन आफ्टर द अदर बहुत सारी मेमोरीज एक के बाद एक जल्दी जल्दी से पॉप अप कर रही हैं. मे बी द हर्डल्स, मे बी द पेन्स, आपकी पेनफुल मेमोरीज ऑफ 2024, all your emotional traumas. They are all on the number of screens around you. Let them appear on their own. Maybe one, maybe two, maybe five. Let those memories pop up on those TVs. You remember few of them. Maybe you have also forgotten some of them. Just look at them as if they are playing on the TV and you can access them one by one. This happened, this happened, this happened. और ये सब चीजें बहुत disempowering है. These are all very disempowering. So now, allow these TV screens to freeze. Allow these TV screens to freeze. Keep your eyes closed. Allow these TV screens to freeze. ये रुक गई हैं. They are all frozen like a still picture. And allow in your mind कि ये screens धीरे धीरे squeeze होती जा रही हैं, छोटी होती जा रही हैं, smaller in size. They are becoming smaller, 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 extremely small, like a very small chip. And they have fallen on the road now. All these chips have fallen on the road and you can hear that sound very clearly. उन चिप्स के नीचे गिरने की आवाज आप बहुत क्लियरली सुन सकते हो. और अगर वो चिप्स छोटी नहीं हो रही हैं तो अपना हैंड यूज करके आप खुद अपने मैजिकल फिंगर्स के साथ उन चिप्स को छोटा कर सकते हो बाय मूविंग योर हैंड्स. यू कैन क्लियरली हियर द साउंड कि ये चिप्स नीचे गिर रही हैं, बहुत छोटी छोटी सी, लाइक स्मॉल पेबल्स. एंड नाउ यू पिक देम अप and put them in your white bag. Those small microchips, pick them up and put them in your bag. And move ahead. Once you move ahead, you are stepping into your 2023 and your 2022. Your last 2 years. इन 2 सालों की कोई भी बैड मेमोरीज, कोई ट्रॉमास, कोई हर्डल्स, कोई पेन्स, शायद किसी ने कुछ गलत कह दिया, किसी ने गलत तरह से ट्रीट करा. The memories will pop up on its own. Let your subconscious take over. Consciously कुछ भी याद नहीं आए, it's okay. Let your unconscious take the hold. Just stay there. And the moment आपको वो सब memories नजर आने लगे, allow them to just freeze. वो सभी TV screens, it's okay, it's absolutely okay. उन सभी TV screens को freeze होने दो. Freeze them and squeeze them. Freeze them and squeeze them. उनको छोटे 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 chips में convert होने दो. It has frozen and it's going smaller, 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 smaller. And there's very minute chips falling on the ground. बिल्कुल meaningless. There is no meaning now. देख भी नहीं पा रहे हो क्या है उसके अंदर. कोई मतलब ही नहीं है, कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. Completely broken nonsense chips. Stupid chips, stupid memories. They have fallen on the ground. Pick them up and put them also in your bag. And move ahead towards 2021 and 2020, the COVID time. Simply let your unconscious pop the memories. Again, there are some memories. Just look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are a number of screens there. और सब में कोई ना कोई मेमोरी चल रही है. Bad memories, disempowering ones, painful. Maybe इस वक्त आपकी state change हो, but it's okay. You're soon going to come out of it. Again, freeze them and squeeze them all. They're all becoming small, 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 like very small microchips with no volumes, with no words, no visuals, totally blank, broken, shattered, nonsense chips falling on the ground. Pick them up and put them in your bag. Move ahead. Move ahead towards 2019 to 2015. 2019 to 2015. Maybe this is your college time. Maybe this is your school time. क्या चल रहा है इस वक्त में? What's happening? Maybe आपकी jobs लग रही थी. अगर आप कॉलेज से बाहर आ गए थे तो कॉलेज में थे तो शायद किसी ने बुली किया. Some experiences. किसी टीचर ने कुछ गलत कह दिया. You remember them because they are alive in your mind. You had some experiences. What are these experiences? क्या है वो? किसी के bad words, rude words, गलत comments, maybe any of you eve teasing, किसी लड़के ने कोई बदतमीजी की कॉलेज में, स्कूल में, घर में किसी ने कुछ गलत कहा, कोई सपोर्टिव नहीं था, मे बी आपको खुद को सेल्फ डाउट्स थे, या मे बी कोई दिल टूटा. What are these bad memories of your college or maybe your school time? किस तरह के fears हैं ये जो पॉप अप कर रहे हैं? करियर के fears हैं, लाइफ के fears हैं. Face them today and let them appear on its own. Let them go out of your body today. ये सब सामने चल रहे हैं और आज ये सब खत्म हो जाएंगे. Look at your entire journey. All the emotions that you have experienced at that point of time. They are appearing one by one. Simply freeze them, squeeze them one by one. Simply squeeze them, freeze them one by one, and turn them into very small, 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 small chips. If you feel like, you can use your hands. The experience turns up, freeze it, squeeze it, and falls on the ground. Next experience, let it pop up, freeze it, squeeze it, fall on the ground. Stay there, stay there. Let these experiences come today. And once you freeze them, you squeeze them, they're falling on the ground, pick them up and put them in your bag. And you walk further towards your school time. Your school time. whatever the painful memories there, शायद बहुत छोटी भी हो सकती हैं, कोई बड़ी भी हो सकती हैं, मे बी कॉन्फिडेंस लूज किया था. रिलैक्स योर फोरहेड, मे बी कॉन्फिडेंस लूज किया था. स्कैन योर एंटायर स्कूल टाइम, क्या फियर्स थे? शायद किसी बड़े भैया बड़ी दीदी से डर लगता था. मे बी यू फेल्ट लो ऑफ योर सेल्फ, शायद फ्रेंड्स हंसे थे तुम पर, टीचर्स ने डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल दिखाया था. कोई शेम, गिल्ट, embarrassing situation. The moment will appear on its own. Let it appear, squeeze it, freeze it, and put it in your bag. Freeze it, squeeze it, let it fall on the ground, and put it in your bag. Maybe somebody scolded you badly. Maybe parents said something bad to you. It could be anything. So now, as you do this and walk further, you are just 7-8 years, or maybe 5-6 years. Look at your parents. They are with you. Any particular memory that you have when maybe they scolded you, maybe they slapped you, when they are not treating you well, or maybe they are having some fight which you are not comfortable with? Any painful memory, let it appear, squeeze it, freeze it, squeeze it, let it fall, and put it in your bag. Freeze it, squeeze it, let it fall on the ground, and put it in your bag. And now you walk further. When you are at the age of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, wherein you are a very small baby. Now you do not know what is empowering and disempowering, what is painful and what is not painful, which was very hard to digest, maybe unbelievable for you. But then there is a little dark zone there. Maybe from your present intelligence and understanding, let it happen on its own. You don't understand this zone. These are the places of your forgotten traumas. These are the places of your forgotten traumas. Maybe you were 2, maybe you were 3 years of age. You don't really remember the traumas that you went through, the emotional traumas. But these are a part of your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind knows about it. You can see there maybe a little number or a big number of chips already lying there. They are already lying on the road. Your forgotten traumas of age 0 to 5 are already lying on the road. Simply go pick them up and put them in your bag. Simply go pick them up and put them in your bag. Everything is right. Whatever is coming up to your mind, everything is right. Just pick them up and put them in your bag. And from here, now if you turn around, you can see the present chair very far away. जहां से आप उठकर चलकर यहां तक आए हो, you have literally reached when you were just maybe born or a 2-month or a 5-month old. So from here, if you turn around, you can very clearly see the present chair जहां से आप अभी चलकर आए हो. उस प्रेजेंट चेयर के बिल्कुल ऊपर एक हेलीकॉप्टर है which is starting to coming towards you. Close your eyes. which is coming towards you. From that chair, there is a helicopter that's coming towards you, and that helicopter is in the air coming closer to you. You can hear the sound of that helicopter. You can feel the breeze that is touching your face and your hair because of that hovering helicopter on your head. That helicopter is on a very safe distance from you. It's not going to harm you. It's on a very safe distance from you, up in the air, and it's coming towards you. And now, that very helicopter has thrown a rope. It has thrown a white colored rope. आप उस white rope के साथ अपना white color का shoulder bag उतारेंगे और उस rope के साथ बांध देंगे. Just remove your shoulder bag and tie it tightly with that helicopter. It is coming down towards you, and you tie your shoulder bag with all those painful memories in it with that rope very tightly. Tie your shoulder bag with this rope tightly, very tightly, and now this rope is pulled up by that helicopter. It's pulled up, and there goes your bag. There goes your bag. The bag is gone. The bag is gone up there, and the helicopter kept the journey going beyond, beyond, beyond. The helicopter is going. The painful memories are going. The bag is going. It's going away out in the clouds, away in the universe, beyond any timelines, and you cannot see it now. वो helicopter जा चुका है. It's gone into the horizon beyond your limits. It has gone, completely gone. And you are at your 0-year timeline. And from now, just see that it's going vanishing. You can't see it, and the size has decreased so much that वो दिख ही नहीं रहा है अब. And now it's time for you to walk back with a changed energy, changed perception, more power, empowering moments. Now you walk back and you collect all the power, all the powerful memories, the empowering experiences that has also happened in your life. So as you walk now, relax yourself, keep your eyes closed, relax yourself. Sit down. It's okay. Sit down. Keep your eyes closed. Sit down, Riya. Sit down. Riya, please sit down. Let me complete. Please. Be in the present moment, Riya. Be in the present moment, Riya. Close your eyes. Relax yourself. Riya, close your eyes. Listen to me. Riya, close your eyes and listen to me. Keep your eyes closed. And now you have to walk back. It's very important, Riya. Please. Bring your focus to my voice. Bring your focus to my voice. You are standing on the 0-year and you are walking back. Keep your spine straight. Keep your spine straight, everybody. Now it's time to walk back. And now imagine yourselves, look at yourselves that you are 2 years of age. You are 2 years of age and you are experiencing love. unconditional love that you have no idea of. There are so many people around you who come to your house, maybe around you, maybe those maids, maybe those helpers. If not the parents, there are so many other people who kept coming to your places. They are there. They used to pick you up. They used to pick you up and hold you and smile with you. You are experiencing love. You are 2 years of age and you are blessed. You are blessed that you have food on your plate. You have somebody to pamper you. Maybe you don't know them. Maybe you know them. Maybe it's your parents. Maybe it's your siblings. Maybe it's people around you, but you have them. You are blessed that you have that food on your plate. You have somebody who is looking after you. You're getting clothes. You're getting shoes. In the heat outside, you are safe in your house. When it's cold outside, you are safe in your house. You're absolutely blessed. You have God as your back. He's always protecting you. You have God as your back. He's always protecting you. Walk further. You're 5 years of age. And you're blessed to be educated. You're going to a school. Keep your eyes closed. You are blessed to have going to school. Ria, please listen to me or you will not come out of this. Ria, let this finish. Please relax yourself. Tell yourself I'm relaxed. Tell yourself I'm relaxed and please keep your camera on. Keep your camera on, Ria. Please have trust on the process. Sit there. You are stronger than you think. You are stronger than you think. Let your unconscious do its work. Stop using your brain. Let your unconscious take the charge. Please sit there. Sit nicely, relaxed. Relax your forehead. It's okay. You're healing right now. If you're crying, it's good. You're healing right now. Please let your body feel what it is feeling. It's okay. It's absolutely okay. Let your body heal today. Your body was urging for it. It needs this. Believe the process. Please be in the process. Stay calm. You are calm. You're absolutely calm. And you are absolutely blessed. We all are blessed that we are 5 years of age and we started getting education. We have a school to go. We have friends to play with. We are meeting so many people. There are so many people out there. There are so many kids out there. They do not have a family, but we do have one. We are blessed to have those teachers who are educating us with so many things. Keep walking further throughout your school time. When you walk further, you're 6 years of age, 7 years of age, 8, 9, 10 years of age. My goodness, you are learning so much about the world. You're learning so much about the world. Be thankful about it, about the education that you have got, about the knowledge that you are getting, about the languages that you are learning. You're learning Hindi, English, maths, SST, science, maybe Sanskrit. There are so many things out that you are learning. You're knowing about plants, you're knowing about universe, you're knowing about animals, your own body, food. There is so much out there that you're learning. And you have learned it. You have learned it. Universe gave you that opportunity to learn so many things. I am so blessed. Tell yourself, I am so blessed. I am blessed, and that is why I am here. Keep walking. See the further journey of your school time, your entire school time. मे बी शायद एक ही बार हुआ, पर किसी ने तारीफ की थी. मे बी शायद एक ही बार हुआ, शायद कोई अवार्ड विन किया था. मे बी शायद एक ही बार ही वो बहुत अच्छे नंबर आए थे, पर आए थे. Your teachers were clapping for you. Wow, good Namita, very good Riya, good Kritika, very good, well done. You were appreciated by the people around. You kept moving further, you kept learning, and you kept gathering that power from there. There were so many people around you, जो एक ideal हैं आपके, who taught you how to live in life. Look at them. जिन्होंने आपको जीना सिखाया. There was somebody who held your hand. There was somebody who put that food in your mouth. Remember how that teacher appreciated you? And maybe that friend helped you. Maybe there was a friend who gave that pencil to you because you forgot your pencil box. And you said thank you to your friend. Maybe somebody forgot something from home and you helped the person. And that person said, thank you. Thank you so much. Wow. What a vibration of this thank you. What a vibration of love. हम बच्चे थे, कुछ नहीं पता था. मस्ती, मजाक, enjoyment, entertainment. Only that is what we knew. And only that is what we wanted. Gather that energy from these experiences. Take away all that energy, that high power energy, high end energy from these beautiful memories that you have. Gather all that positivity. Yes, you can. You have so many positive things to think about. आप आगे आए, 10th किया, 11th किया, 12th किया, मे बी कितने सारे फ्रेंड्स बनाए, and you had that booming energy, full of love, excitement. जिंदगी में कुछ करना है, कुछ बनना है, कुछ बड़ा करना है. You are a youngster now, full youngster. You got admissions in your teenagers. You ended with your schools and you started with your colleges. You are so lucky. You got to have that moment. You went to your college. You learned so much in life. You got to choose a line. Maybe in the beginning you did not like it, but that's okay. But you have your amazing times in your own ways. आपके अपने अपने अच्छे experiences थे. शायद कैंटीन में जाकर वो खाना खाना मजेदार था. मे बी फ्रेंड्स के साथ वो गार्डन में बैठना मजेदार था. Just remember all those good things that happened to you. Yes, there are a lot of good things that happened to you. Beautiful memories. Wow. They did happen to you. Yes. और इन energies में बहुत power है. Have gratitude for them. Thank you. I'm so blessed that I have these. ये तो है मेरे पास. Wow. I am so blessed. I have a complete body. I am completely abled. मेरे सब body parts बिल्कुल ठीक हैं. I can live a normal life. My God, it's a blessing that I have. You are so blessed to have your kind of relationships, the relationships that gives you the power, relationships that makes you feel good, maybe in the form of a mentor, maybe in the form of a friend, maybe in the form of a neighbor, maybe in the form of that small little child who lives around you, maybe those small happy things that happens around you. शायद एक अच्छी मूवी में एक अच्छा सीन देखकर ही मजा आ गया. Wow, those relationships around you. You are such a good human being. That is a blessing. God has chosen you to put forward His legacy, His good deeds, His good values out in the world. You are so lucky. Every single minute you are blessed. This universe is with you always. Universe was always giving you the best possible thing around. Maybe even in the form of loneliness. अकेले रहना भी कभी कभी अच्छा होता है. People crave for it. अरे यार अकेला टाइम ही नहीं मिलता. Maybe you are the one जिसे खुद के लिए वक्त मिलता है. Look around the experiences that happened in between. And you are in 2020. जब वो कोविड हुआ, पर जब वो कोविड हुआ, you are the lucky one. आपने उसको हैंडल करा. You are still alive. There were so many people around you who helped you directly, indirectly. शायद कभी कभी हमने realize भी नहीं किया. There were so many people. That milkman who brought that milk for you. Maybe that auntie that came to your house to mop your floor. Maybe those people who helped you pass that situation. I mean, what not? There are so many people you are having every single day to live the life, the present life that you have. You are still surviving. You passed that painful time. कोविड में कितने लोगों ने कितना कुछ मिस आउट करा, लूज करा, बट यू हैव इट ऑल. You survived through it. Have that power from that. Give acknowledgement to this power, that magic that happened with you. Yes, you are alive. Somebody is supporting you. Somebody is there for you. Somebody is guiding you. Somebody is taking hand hold of you and taking you through the time that you need to. Just count on the people who help you in this moment of time. Count on the situations that made the thing fall in place. यहाँ तक कि वो लोग who were not serving in your life, God has your back. They left your life for your own good. There are so many things that happened to you that you wished for. Maybe that laptop, maybe that phone, maybe that profession that you wanted to be in, maybe that one single dress you wanted to have, maybe that one single conversation that you wanted to have. There are so many things you were wishing for and they just came true. Wow. So many things. They are so good for you. Walk further. 2021, 2022, 2023. Coaching came into your life. You learned so many things. You're growing, you're evolving every single day. And count these blessings in your life. Acknowledge them. Say thank you to universe. Thank you, universe. You gave me so much power. And from all these beautiful things, gather the confidence. Gather the high power. All that you want. Yes, I can do it. Yes, I can create my life. Yes, I can live my life the way I want to be. Arey Baba, you are surviving till now. You're not dead. There is a whole life in front of you. with so many beautiful memories waiting for you to come to them and create them. You are just a few steps away from that chair, that present seat that you got up from. You are just few steps away from that. And now, with your last few steps, you sit into your present. But this time, the new you that is sitting on this chair is filled with empowerment, is filled with that energy, it's filled with that confidence, that spike of energy, that enthusiasm that has suddenly put into your whole body, that has spiked the positivity around you that you brought from your past timeline. You are empowered now. Tell yourself, I am empowered. Tell yourself, I am blessed. Tell your universe, thank you. You always help me. You always put me in the right situation. You help me meet the right people at the right time. Tell yourself that yes, there is a higher self who is always with me, always. That's guiding me, that's filling me with all that energy, that positivity, that smile, that happiness that I deserve. I deserve this. I deserve this beautiful dream life. I deserve this happiness, this energy, this spike. Yes, I am enthusiastic. Tell yourself, God loves me. God loves me unconditionally. I am who I am unapologetically. I love myself. I simply love myself. Tell yourself that I can live the rest of my life easily and effortlessly. You have gathered so much energy. You have gathered so much energy. You have gathered so much courage that even the rest of your life will be remarkable. Yes, you are going to make your own legacy, create your own signs, create your own life. It's going to be remarkable. Tell yourself, tell everybody, I am blessed. I am blessed. I am helped. God helps me every time, all the time. I am helped by the higher power all the time. I am loved always, always, and always. And I am creating my desired life. 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 Good. Yes, you are creating your desired life. And with this high energy, high vibration, high energies, high positivity, simply breathe in and breathe out and rub your palms whenever you want to come out of this energy. Feel this energy. Let your body sink this positivity. Let your body sink into it. The empowerment, the positivity, the confidence. Let your body feel it. For the next 30 seconds, I'll be absolutely quiet. And whenever you feel like coming back, you can simply rub your hands and come out of it. Who would like to go first? You can take your time. Take 2 minutes, all of you. Come back. Okay, Ria, unmute yourself till time. Let them take some time. Simply close your eyes and breathe. Do it with me. 4K in 4 of the things will be like, you will hold for 4 seconds and then you will exhale for like 5 to 7 times. Okay? Sit. And Ria, in case you are feeling like crying, please don't stop yourself. Take 2 minutes, take 5 minutes, take 10 minutes. I'm here only. If you want to cry, please don't let your body stop right now. इस वक्त जो process हमने किया है, if you will stop yourself, it will become worsened. So take your time. I'm here only. I'm talking to Kritika and Nomita till that time. If you feel like crying, please take your time. Cry. Cry as loud as you can. Like a very small baby. जैसे कि एक छोटा सा बच्चा cry करता है. It's okay. Let your body feel it today. You have holded it for a very long time. It's fine. Absolutely fine. Okay? We are waiting here for you. Take your time and come back whenever you want to. But please cry out loud. मैंने आपको mute कर दिया. We cannot hear you. Cry out loud. Okay, Kritika.
It was amazing, really. I imagined every single thing और जब नई टीवी छोटा हो रहा था उसको पकड़ के जबरदस्ती किया कई बार.
मैंने वो काइनेस्थेटिक के लिए करा बिकॉज समटाइम्स ना काइनेस्थेटिक्स के साथ ये होता है एंड रिमेंबर दिस फॉर ऑल द टेक्निक्स कि समटाइम्स क्या है बिकॉज वी आर काइनेस्थेटिक्स आई एम ऑल्सो काइनेस्थेटिक आई अंडरस्टैंड दिस मैं सुनकर नहीं कर सकती अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट इज वाई अंडरस्टैंडिंग वैक इज इम्पोर्टेंट राइट with every single technique now that we will do you realize how important is VAC to be done मतलब अगर मैं उनको कराए बिना आगे चलती तो it was of no use to you people आप खुद के ऊपर तो कर लेते बट मे बी किसी और पर नहीं कर पाते दैट इज वाई दैट्स द बेस आपको वैक पता है जैसे आई नो आई एम अ काइनेस्थेटिक पर्सन एंड आई एम एन ऑडियो पर्सन तो मैं सुनने वाली चीजें भी डिलीट कर लेती हूँ मैं विजुअल इतने अच्छे नहीं देख पाती मतलब मुझे ब्लर ब्लर सा ही नजर आता है या बहुत डल डल ही सब कुछ नजर आता है बट देन व्हेन आई एम टोल्ड कि अपने हैंड्स यूज करो अपने हाथों से रब करो स्क्रिबल कर दो उसको छोटा कर दो तो वो करते ही मेरा ब्रेन मान जाता है कि हाँ अब ठीक सो आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट मैंने एक बार आई रिमेम्बर जब फर्स्ट टाइम किया था ना मुझे आदत हो गई थी ये करने की एक बार ना मुझसे छोटा भी नहीं हो रहा था तो अब नाउ यू नो जब आप आगे आगे करते रहते हो ना आपको चेंजेस अपने आप समझ में आ जाते हैं जैसे एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम मेरे से वो स्क्वीज नहीं हो रही थी तो आई इमेजिन कि वहां पे एक एक्स पड़ी है तो मैंने वो एक्स लिया एंड आई इमेजिन मैंने उससे तोड़ दिया आई ब्रोक इट फिर मैंने वो पूरा रास्ता एक्स के साथ यूज किया धड़म 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 वो मैं उस टाइम पे पूरा एक वॉरियर बन गई थी you have to cut it, I have to cut it.
ऐसे imaginary tools मैंने भी बीच बीच में खुद ही से ले आए थे.
Yes, yes, yes. And that's absolutely fine. जो फील करे मतलब जैसा आपको ठीक लगे the moment is कि वो ब्रेक होना चाहिए आपको लग रहा है that is why I keep giving these things. आपको लग रहा है हाथ यूज करना है करो मैजिकल को तभी मैंने स्टार्टिंग में आपको एक इंस्ट्रक्शन दी माइंड को कि दिस इज अ मैजिकल वर्ल्ड एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल हियर सो दैट कि अगर वो खुद से भी कुछ पॉपअप करना चाहे तो वो अपने क्वेश्चनिंग जोन में ना जाए कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ कि मैं ये नहीं कर सकता इट्स ओके रिया इट्स नॉर्मल इस एक के बाद नौमिता को याद आ गया होगा इस टेक्निक के बाद फीवर हो जाता है रिया इट्स वेरी नॉर्मल वेरी वेरी नॉर्मल योर बॉडी has released a lot of hidden traumas a lot of them जिनके बारे में शायद आपको पता भी नहीं था And when your body is releasing all those negativity, all that trauma from your body, it's difficult for the body to even digest it क्योंकि आपको खुद नहीं पता वो कितने साल पुराना है. So it will take its time. It's absolutely fine. No need to worry about it. It's okay. We'll do it again. I could see that. It's not you. एक बार ध्यान रखो, जब एक्टिविटी चल रही है, अगर आपकी आंखें बंद हैं, आप कॉन्शियसली चाहे कुछ भी सोच रहे हो, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग टू यू, आई एम टॉकिंग टू योर सबकॉन्शियस. ही इज डूइंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. इट्स ओके. आफ्टर दिस क्लास आई विल सिट विद यू, क्योंकि मुझे पता है मे बी तुमने बैग भी नहीं छोड़ा. And it's okay, we are all family here. You can come on the camera and talk to us. It would be more easier for us to help you and guide you. We are all on the same page. It's absolutely fine. Learn to share it and learn to own it. This is your life. It's absolutely fine. There is nothing to feel bad in it. There is nothing to feel embarrassed in. Okay? Now tell me what happened. Pehle you tell me what happened.
वो सारा स्क्वीज करती गई, फिर भी कुछ कुछ रहता गया,
Okay.
वहां छूटता गया।
Okay.
और जब पीछे मुड़ के देखा तो बहुत सारी चीजें वही गिरी हुई थी,
Okay.
और बैग तो चला गया था, पर जब मैं वापस जा रही थी तो बहुत सारी चीजें वही रह गई थी, बहुत सब
तो
कुछ
कोई
वही
बात नहीं,
दिख।
हम उस प्रोसेस में दोबारा जाकर हम सिर्फ उनको उठा लेंगे. गिरी हुई है ना वहां पे. अभी नहीं करेंगे, बाद में कर लेंगे. वो जो गिरी हुई है वो गिरी हुई है ना. द गुड पार्ट इज, जस्ट टेल मी वन थिंग, वो स्क्वीज होकर गिर गई थी, टीवी स्क्रीन पर तो नहीं थी ना.
तो गिरा ही हुआ था नीचे पूरी
गिरा
रोड
हुआ
पे।
था ना. दैट्स डन. उनके गिरने का मतलब है आपका माइंड उसको इतना तो एटलीस्ट एक्सेप्ट कर चुका है कि वो
और
गिर चुकी है.
अब जब हम पॉजिटिव लेन पे जा रहे थे तो जो नेगेटिव चीजें छूट गई थी वो उस पॉजिटिव लेन पे आ रही थी कि ये पॉजिटिव नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि इसके साथ तो ये होगा
इट्स ओके
और
रिया.
इसके
समटाइम्स
बाद ये
व्हाट
होने
हैपेंस
वाला
इज,
है।
sometimes what happens is आपने अपने conscious mind को, because the biggest mistake that you did was you opened your eyes. Never do that ever again. Ever, ever, ever. चाहे वो
नहीं
कितना
झेला
भी
जा रहा था,
मुश्किल
ऐसा
हो.
लग रहा था वॉमिट आ
No.
जाएगी।
रिया, trust your own conscious. तुम्हें पता है you are right now. This is for you. You need to understand is you are not trusting your own conscious for things. तुम्हें पता भी नहीं है वो कितना पावरफुल है. तुम सब कुछ कॉन्शियसली सोच रही हो कि ये हुआ, which would have happened. I'm not denying it. But let your unconscious do its work. You cannot open your eyes at the time of a technique going on. It can go worse.
मुझे नहीं पता था कि इतना डीप ये सब होगा। गेट खुला हुआ था,
It's okay.
मुझे था कोई आ ना जाए। आई वाज क्राइंग बैडली, तो नहीं
अब
झेला
अभी
जा रहा
कहाँ,
था।
अमृतसर में हो
तो
कि
मैंने
वापस हो?
एयरफोन्स भी कनेक्ट नहीं किए। हाँ जी।
आप अमृतसर में हो या वृंदावन में?
मैं किसी के घर हूँ यहीं पे, वृंदावन में, क्योंकि मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं थी। तो
इवन देन, अभी आप जितनी भी क्लासेस में आ रहे हो ना, डोंट टेक इट विदाउट हेडफोन्स एंड टेक इट वेरी सीरियसली. आपको खुद को आज समझ आ गया कि ये कितना डीप, और जितने भी आगे आने वाले हैं वो ऐसे ही हैं. It is a pure self work that has started now. Pure self work. That's the only reason I keep telling one thing. Unless and until you have not healed your own self, you have not healed your own pains, you have not healed your own body, you cannot heal a person outside. क्योंकि उसके दुखों में आपके दुख बोलेंगे. जब वो अपना विक्टिम मूड लेके आपके सामने बैठेगा, आप उसको क्या हील करोगे? आप उसके विक्टिम मूड से खुद ही कनेक्ट हो जाओगे कि
खुद
हाँ
ही
लाइफ,
कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं।
क्योंकि वो हील्ड नहीं है, आपके पार्ट्स हील्ड नहीं है. दैट इज व्हाई आई टेल यू द फर्स्ट थिंग, दिस इज योर मेजर फेज दैट हैज स्टार्टेड नाउ. इट विल हैपन. मेक इट अ हैबिट. दिस क्राइंग इज वेरी गुड, बिलीव मी ऑन दिस क्राइंग इज वेरी गुड. क्योंकि अगर आप क्राई कर रहे हो, दैट मीन्स आपकी बॉडी ने हील करा है. इट्स द वे ऑफ योर बॉडी टेलिंग यू. सोचो कितना कुछ था अंदर, अभी तो कितनी चीजें आप फेस ही नहीं कर पाए, उनको देख ही नहीं पाए, उठा ही नहीं पाए. समझ रहे हो इस बात को? क्योंकि एक तो आपका कॉन्शियस माइंड ऑल द टाइम बहुत ज्यादा एक्टिव था, यू आर नॉट सरेंडर्ड कंप्लीटली। एक तो आपके दिमाग
हाँ
में रहा था कि मैं कहीं और हूँ, कोई सुन लेगा, कोई आ जाएगा, मैं रो नहीं सकती, विच इज कंप्लीटली अगेंस्ट द टेक्निक। यू कांट
against
डू दिस टू योरसेल्फ। आपका इतना हालत बिगड़ने का रीजन ही ये है, क्योंकि सबकॉन्शियस को जो भी करना था, यू डिड नॉट अलाउ योर सबकॉन्शियस टू डू एनीथिंग, क्योंकि आप कॉन्शियस थे। सो ये आपके लिए पहला लेसन है, खुद के लिए भी एंड एट द टाइम आने वाले वक्त में कभी क्लाइंट्स भी लोगे तो उनके लिए भी। Have you ever realized when I do these things, nobody is around me, nobody. My house is full of people right now. But this is something really serious. We are working not with your conscious mind. We are working with your unconscious mind. And I have to handle that. आपकी हालत बिगड़ना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम ये है that you are active, जो आप नहीं कर सकते हो। आज तो चलो ठीक है, जो हुआ मैं उसको भी हैंडल कर लूंगी। आफ्टर दिस क्लास वी विल अगेन हैव अ क्लास, वी नीड टू सॉर्ट इट, वी कैन नॉट लीव इट लाइक दिस के हो गया चलो कोई बात नहीं, वी कांट डू दैट। आपको पता है इट हैज इट्स ओन इफेक्ट्स ऑन यू, आई कैन नॉट लीव यू दिस वे। So from the very next time when you're coming to these classes, your theory part is over, it's gone। अब कुछ नहीं है थियरी, अब तो ये छोटी मोटी चीजें हैं। जब मैं टेक्निक ले रही हूँ, उस टेक्निक की इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है, उसका यूज क्या है, मैं आपको क्या करवाने वाली हूँ मैक्सिमम। और आज भी देखो मैंने आपको कोई स्लाइड थोड़ी दिखाई है, आई हैव टोल्ड एवरीथिंग टू यू वर्बली, एंड दिस इज हाउ इट्स गोइंग टू बी आगे भी। बहुत कम थियोरी होगी, बहुत कम, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ इट इज गोइंग टू बी मोर ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल नाउ, because now it's technique, pure techniques, and that simply means pure healing, working on your own traumas। अभी तो आज पहला था, सो ओके। एक तो पहले, सबसे पहले प्लीज एज इफ लगाओ एंड रिलैक्स योरसेल्फ, कम आउट ऑफ इट, स्विच आउट ऑफ इट, डू वन थिंग, गेट अप एंड वॉश योर फेस। पहले तो वो करके हो, वो बहुत जरूरी है। गो वॉश योर फेस विथ ठंडा सा पानी, कम से कम 10-20 टाइम्स। ओके मुझे ना